In this Masterworks tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate a couple of tips and tricks to the Masterworks application. These tips work no matter if you are logged into the application under WisDOT roles or as a consultant. The first tip is the ability to duplicate the tabs. Right now I'm looking at a consultant estimate on this project, but I want to go ahead and see the contract. I can go ahead and right-click, duplicate the tab, and I could go ahead and view the contract for that project that I am currently looking at in the consultant estimate. I could then navigate to the contract and I could pull apart these tabs if I wanted to view on separate screens. The next tip is the ability to copy a hyperlink. What if I was working on this project with someone and I wanted to send them a link to this page directly? I could copy the hyperlink and send them an email, and they'd be able to pick up right where I left off on this same screen as long as they had the same rules as I did. Another tip is the ability to maximize the size of your screen. If you needed to see more information on this main part of the screen, you could click this little arrow to collapse the left side bar. You could also click this little arrow up to be able to minimize that upper ribbon. You can go ahead and move them back by clicking this. And note, you can also move this vertical bar left and right to be able to maximize the space as you need it. Another quick trick is the ability to expand all and collapse all on this left-hand tree structure. So if I wanted to collapse all of these, I could click the minus and go ahead and click the plus to expand all. This is really helpful if you have a lot of folders on the left-hand side navigation. And the last little tip that I have is that the Masterworks application not only works with Internet Explorer, but it also works with Microsoft Edge browser, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. Basically, you can use any of the modern browsers that you are most comfortable with in using the Masterworks application. I hope these tips and tricks allow you to use Masterworks more efficiently.